In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play sound effects on Discord. If you want to add a little more personality to your voice chats, Discord's soundboard feature makes it easy to play quick sound effects while you're in a server. I'll walk you through exactly where to find it and how to use it so you can get everything set up without any confusion. To begin, go to Discord and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look toward the bottom left corner of the app. This is where you'll usually see your profile area and the main controls for your account. From there, click on User Settings. This is the section where Discord keeps all of your personal app preferences, including audio, appearance, and feature settings. If you've never explored this area before, don't worry. We're only going to focus on the options related to sound effects. After opening User Settings, go to Experience. This section includes features that affect how Discord feels and behaves while you're using it. Depending on your version of Discord, the menu layout may look slightly different, but the label should still be easy to spot. Next, click on Voice and Video. This is an important section because it controls how your microphone, speakers, and voice features work. Since sound effects are part of your overall voice experience, this is where Discord connects those settings. Once you're there, click on Soundboard. The soundboard is the feature that lets you browse and trigger short audio clips during conversations. It's designed to be quick and fun, especially in active voice channels. Now, click on Choose a Sound. This will open the available sound options you can work with. If you're just getting started, take a moment to look through the list so you can get familiar with what's available. After that, click on Change Sound. This lets you switch from one sound effect to another so you can decide which clip you want ready to use. It's helpful if you want to customize your selection before playing anything in chat. Finally, click on a sound to play it. Once selected, Discord will play that sound effect through the soundboard feature. This is the part where you can test different sounds and figure out which ones fit the mood of your server or conversation. And that's it. You've now learned how to find Discord's soundboard and play sound effects. If a sound doesn't seem to play, make sure you're in the correct voice environment and that your audio settings are working properly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.